Hi everyone, and welcome to today's quick demo showcasing our new Agent Access mode. So today I'm starting by logging into my agency dashboard and scrolling down the left-hand side menu, clicking on Teams and Admins. You'll see a new tab here called Agent Access. This is showing me my 3 agents that are part of my agency network. Normally, I can't log into each agent's profile, but now with Agent Access, I can. So let's go through and show you how that works. So for example, I might just want access to one agent's profile or perhaps all. I simply need to select the profiles and send access requests. An email is now on the way. Let's check the email inbox for one of those agents. Okay, Julie's received my access request, and what this means is she can now choose to either allow the agency profile to have access to a full Rate My Agent account or not. Julie can read more about what's involved with the access and make her decision. She's going to grant today. And that's all done. It was as simple as that. So now what's changed in the agency access? So if I go back here and refresh my page inside the agency profile, I can see that my requests to Archie and Meredith are still pending, but Julie's accepted. Great. Let's log in as Julie now. If I click on Switch Accounts in the bottom left-hand corner, this is where I'll be able to log into as many of my agency accounts that I'm an administrator for. But if I click across to Agents, Julie's now listed here. Okay, I'm logged in as Julie now, and I've got full access to do anything I need to do. For example, if I go into Edit Profile, maybe Julie's had a new profile photo taken. So let's update that for Julie. Done. Another great advantage of this Agent Access is that if you go down to digital ads, as an administrator, I can now create a digital ad for this agent branded the same brand as the agent has chosen. Simple as that. Additionally, I now have access to Julie's Social Studio account. So if I click into Julie's Social Studio account, I can now update and edit her branding bar. I can set a schedule as well. So if I go to scheduled posts on the left-hand side, you can see I can come in here, approve, edit, or set a brand new schedule for content. With Agent Access, you can do so much more for your agents, help them save time and do what they want to do most, which is be out there winning new listings and ensuring customers are having great experiences.